realize what this is?
This is the new Jaguar XKRS. The most powerful production sports car Jaguar has ever built. The aluminium quad-cam 5-litre AJ V8 supercharged engine has been uprated to produce 550 PS, 680 Newton meters of torque. The dual independent variable cam timing features actuation rates of more than 150 degrees per second. This is seamless, instant power. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. This unique aerodynamic design has been created using computational fluid dynamics. This isn't about image. This design is driven by geometry, physics. The XKRS creates 1.7 tons of downforce, reducing lift by more than 25%. Combine this with the 5-litre supercharged V8 engine, and the result is a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour. The lightweight aluminium monocoque chassis is strong and rigid. The stiffened suspension, adaptive dynamics, and the unique lightweight 20-inch alloy wheels are designed to optimize body control, traction,